Hello, welcome to Race Creations, established in spring of 2018. We specialize in aprons. Not just any aprons, but quality, stylish, functional aprons. We offer adjustable straps, which means one size fits all. We also have nice deep wide pockets, and we can specialize them to anything you want. Let's talk about profits. The profits for this venture are actually quite substantial. Each one is about $10 in material, and they retail at $25, which means after paying myself a salary of $5 an hour, each one is a profit of $10. We then turn around and invest this money back into the company to increase our inventory. Now, with this particular project, I did sell one apron. It was sold on a trade. I traded an apron for some chickens. Unfortunately, the chickens, which were going to be part of my flock, to be part of my other business, were killed by a predator. So I consider this a learning experience because I had never made an egg apron before, but there we go. Now, projections. The future is bright for aprons. With the future, I'm going to invest in better marketing. Not only will I do social media, but I will also offer my wares to the general public in different events, which I'll talk about in a moment. I'm also going to increase inventory. I'm going to have more styles available, which means Mommy and Me, egg, and harvest aprons, heavy-duty ones for those barbecue grillers in your family, and even dress-up ones. Now, these aprons are going to be available at holiday sales and craft fairs, as this is where I will get the most eyes in the shortest period of time on my inventory. And holiday sales are amazing because everyone is shopping not for themselves, but for their friends and family, which means they're willing to spend a little bit more to find that perfect gift. I'm also in works with communicating with boutiques and consignment stores in my area in order to offer the aprons there. We are still discussing what the terms will be as far as splitting the profits of these aprons between myself and the owners of those boutiques. But it is something that we are working towards because we want to make sure that everyone has access to Race Creations aprons.